What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new update, your daily update on Rndr. We're talking about it again. I'm sorry for the thumbnail, it's a bit dramatic, and it's also, when I did the analysis, to be fair with you, it was not looking too good. But right now we're still looking very, very bullish, so I'm sorry for that, I'm not going to change it. But yeah, in this video we'll take a look at Rndr again. We'll talk about the technicals, maybe a little bit of fundamentals, but I'm not sure if that is necessary right now. I think the technicals actually are the most important thing to understand at this point of time. So that's what we'll talk about. Yesterday I also did a little YouTube shorts on it, in which I explained my position then. Then we were really trying to break above that 2.8, 2.77 level, which is kind of a small area, which has been our main resistance for this week. Small area in the middle of this enormous area between 2.7 and $3. So yeah, that's still what we're trying to break above. But apart from that, we have been very, very bullish. Right now, for example, we're holding this level at 2.7 as our support, which is just one hell of a bullish confirmation. So we'll talk about that more in this video. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But you can also find out all the trade results, everything you need, basically. But for now, let's get right into Rndr. So the thing is that in this level between $3 and 2.7, there's a lot of resistance. We've twice tapped this level around 2.9. $3 really is the main level we're trying to get to. That's also an enormous psychological level. What you tend to see right now with Rndr is that we do react to the psychological levels a lot, but we tend to go over it a little bit. So I would almost estimate our price target to be like $3 and 3.05. So that does make it more complicated, because then now you have like a huge key level with like 3 levels within it. But that is true. If you take a look at Rndr, if you take a look at this key level, I think it's just interesting. If you take a look at this key level in the past, it's also just a lot of different resistance levels and key levels in the middle. And yeah, so, but now onto the price right now. So we are still very bullish. The thing is that I do expect some bullish momentum for today, even though Bitcoin is not necessarily displaying that right now. But the thing is that we need to get some sort of a bullish breakout above this level here at 2.8 fairly quickly. If we can get that, fine. We'll find some resistance at 2.9 again, but we had a bullish breakout, so then we'll probably get up to $3 and we're fine. And then at $3 and 3.05, we'll find some resistance, and from there we'll see again. I'll be back with another update. But if we find resistance there again, and for example break down below our support level around 2.7, then I'm not sure if we can still do that, because at this point of time we've been trying to break above that level for almost the entire week, for the last couple of days, and Rndr right now still has momentum, but at some point of time that momentum is going to dry up. Like for example right now you can see that the volume is still pretty high. It's not as high as it was the 22nd. It's still pretty high, but it's also dropping right now. If you take a look at the last day, for example, we reached like 370 right here. It's now around 312. So we're losing momentum. So we need to do something like this fast. And I think that's still the most likely scenario. But if we are not able to do that, then I was wrong. And we'll probably drop down to the levels around 2.55 and 2.5, from which we could still do something like this, but only if we really get some bullish momentum from the market as well. So that does make the situation more difficult. But that's my take on Rndr for now. So if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.